In this lesson, we are going to look at how to simplify algebraic expressions under division and multiplication, or multiplication and division. So we have an expression here that we need to simplify: 15x squared y over 32m cubed n squared divided by 5xy cubed over 4m squared n cubed. Okay, so this is the question that we have. Okay, so the first thing that we do is actually what we do when we are dealing with common fractions. When you are dividing common fractions, the first thing that you do is that you change the sign of division to multiplication. So we are going to have 15x squared y over 32 m cubed n squared times, so we change the division sign to multiplication, and then we interchange these two, 5xy cubed and 4m squared n cubed. So they are also going to interchange. We are going to have 4m squared n to the power 3 divided by 5x y to the power 3. Okay, so at this stage now, we can cancel out some numbers. So you notice that 4 goes into 4 once, and 4 can go into 32 8 times. 5 goes into 5 once, and 5 into 15 it's 3. Okay, so at this stage now, we can now multiply what we have here by what we have this side. So we are going to have 3 times 1 is actually 3. X squared y m squared n to the power 3. So m squared n to the power 3 over 8 times 1, you have 8. And then when you multiply these letters here, you are going to have m cubed n squared x y cubed. Okay, so at this stage now, we can actually divide the letters. We can cancel out some letters here, or maybe the simplest way you can do it is just expand these letters that you have. You are going to have 3x times x, this is x squared here, times y times m times 3 n's, n times n times n, over 8m times m times m. So you have m cubed here, so you have 1, 2, 3 m's, times n times x times y times y times y. Okay, so now we can start cancelling now here. So we are going to cancel out the x's here. So you notice here that on top we have 2 x's, so this x here will cancel with the x that we have down here. And then when you look at the y's, on top we only have 1 y, so this y will cancel out with one of the y's here, and you remain with 2 of them. When you look at the m's here, we have 2 m's on top, so this m will cancel with this m will cancel with this m here, and then the n's also are going to cancel. So you can see that here down you have 2 n's, on top here you have 3. So this n is going to cancel with this one, and this n will cancel with this one. And so the answer is going to comprise of what will remain on top and what has remained down. So on top we have remained with 3x n over, down here we have 8m, then y times y here is just y squared. And so this is our answer for this question here. So thank you very much for paying attention.